That's right. That's our box number for Strata. Here's our 25 owners going through the random 7 times. Then we randomizing the teams to find out who ends up with what team in the rip. 7 times through for the team random. Happening right now. 6 and a lucky number 7 for the owner list. All right, Art R, you're at the top of the mountain. Good luck to you, Art. And everybody in the rip in Strata. It's our first random. 25 owner names. Completely random list. And now we're going to randomize the teams. Four big hits, 25 spots in the break. Makes for a good opportunity. I think that's a 1 in 5 chance. Maybe a 1 in 6. I'm not sure. But anyway, here we go. 7 times. Five, 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. And you can see now how things stack up and how things are and who's got what team. In the break, it's the Oakland A's for Art. And the rest of the Red Sox, Terry H. Good luck combo spot right here to pay special attention, Scott. And Joseph with your combo teams. These will appear jumbled in a second. The Diamondbacks, Brewers, and Padres, Phillies, Nationals, and Royals. Feel free to make a trade in the break. We've got 4 hits about to pop out in Strata. All right, the first hit out of Strata. Good luck. Are there any trades? I think I'll get this one unboxed just to make sure there's no trades. Good luck, CLR. Hit big, CLR. Good luck, everybody in the break. I don't see any trades. It is time. You can tell me to wait. It is time to rip. First hit coming out of Strata is LA Dodgers owner. Nice hit. LA Dodgers are in a combo, aren't they? No, they're not in a combo. It's Art R who has the Dodgers. Okay. Way to go, Art. Nice pull with your Frankie autograph right here. Man, I hope we hit a big one out of this. There are some big ones to be had. Nice on-card auto. A beauty. Coming out of Strata. The next hit is a Rob Refschneider. Oh, my gosh, Yankees. New York. Congratulations, Chris S. Great hit right there, Chris. See the number 2 on the patch. $324,940 JB. It's very high quality. Next up in the rip, good luck in Strata in the second box. Coming out of Strata Baseball is, I see pinstripes. It's a Rob Refschneider. Oh, my goodness. Another Yankees hit. Another Refschneider auto, 108 of 125. Yankees coming away magnificent now. Oh, my gosh. New York. And this one is coming out for a Chris S. And this one is a numbered auto. And number on is 108. Next up in the break, good luck, everybody. Good luck. What is it and who is it? More Yankees. Oh, my gosh. Another Yankees hit. It's a Tanaka relic. Oh, would you look at that? And there it is. 171, 384. Surprise, surprise. Yankees were definitely the team to own. Well, Yankees owner coming away big. Congratulations. Wow, what a shocker that was. Chris S. comes away big in the rip. My, oh, my. What a shocker. And that is the 2-boxer of Strata, 4 hits, 3 of which were Yankees. Rob Refschneider. It's actually, these look really nice. They're very high quality hits and everything. Big hits come out. And you can see our 4 hits right here. 3 of which were Yankees. And that Dodgers hit. What a wild break. Who would have ever thought that? All right, so we're getting ready for our next box. It's about to rip.